How to uninstall applications on Windows. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily uninstall the applications on your Windows. So first thing, just head over to your applications section, or you can also just type in add or remove programs, and once you enter these settings you'll get bunch of applications on your device. So let's say I want to delete this particular application from over here. So as you can see, this is the browser which I don't no longer require. So I'll just click on this three dot icon and just click on uninstall button over here, and it will be successfully starting to uninstall the application from your device. So just tap on continue to uninstall and wait for a few seconds, and it should successfully uninstall your desired applications from your device. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.